Hi, my name is Tiffany Garten, and I come to you today to tell you why I want to be a nurse. I come to you to tell you the plan I have in place and why this committee should choose me for the CEI nursing program. I want to be a nurse because I believe I can make a difference in this community, because I have always had a compassion and empathy for those around me. But there was a situation once where somebody fell at my work and got very hurt. And while we were waiting for the paramedics to get there, I was comforting her and I was calm and I was collect, but I didn't have the education, the medical knowledge to do anything besides comfort her. And that was the day that I knew that I could make an incredible nurse and that I wanted to. I want to make a difference in my community. And I think that through nursing, I can make a difference in everyone's life I touch. Secondly, the plan I have in place to be successful. First and foremost, it's a strong work ethic. I set time aside every day for studying. I have a study group in place. I make sure that I have dedicated the time required to be successful in my studies. Secondly, I have an incredible support system. My job supports my career goals and where I want to be. And if and when the time comes that I need to prioritize this program with more time, then I can do that with my job. Thirdly, I have an incredible support system as far as childcare set up, so that I know that my children are always safe and taken care of. And I also have a family that backs me up and is there for me, and I have the financial stability to make this program number one priority in my life. I believe that this committee should choose me for this program because I care. I care more than others. I have the maturity, I have the dedication and the drive to make an incredible nurse. When people bet on me, I don't let them down. When I set my sights on something, I work and work and work to achieve it. If I've come up short in the past, regardless of what I've done, if I haven't met my goal, I work harder, I strive harder, and I never give up. And I think the reason why I am a better candidate than maybe someone else is because I truly care. I have this love and compassion for my patients and my patients' families that I know that I can better our community. I will better our community as a nurse, and I will one day be an incredible nurse. I thank you so much for your time and all the effort that goes into picking the very best candidates for this program, and I hope you have a wonderful day.